We are on a treasure hunt. Now, all we have to do is find the yellow stone. The yellow stone?
No. No!
Is this the yellow stone?
Nope.
What colour is it?
Oh, blue!
Blue? Oh. Is this the yellow stone?
No!
What colour is it? Green? Where is the yellow stone? The yellow stone?
Yeah.
The clue said we had to look beside the yellow stone. Look! This box needs a key. Wait here. A key! Oh, that key's too big. It needs to be smaller. I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy.
Day. Night.
It says we need to go between those two trees. Well, here we are, between two trees. Now, where is the clue? Oh, there it is. Don't worry, I'll get it.
Hey.
Too high. Wait here. It says the clue is behind the rock. Where could the clue be? It's an X. That's the clue. We need to find an X. It's an X. Here is our treasure. A picnic.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, Aisling.
Did you find the picnic I made for you?
You made this?
Yes. You've been working very hard, and you deserve a nice picnic.
Thank you.